Ahoy Cypherpunk and welcome to another playlist on my channel OpenSource-Odyssey.
Yeah, boy.
On my channel, I focus on awesome open source software applications and how you can use them to improve your life. In this playlist, we'll focus all about the terminal. So make your terminal awesome again. For those who are not aware, the terminal is the most powerful interface you can use to control a computer. However, sometimes it can be a little bit challenging to understand all of the tools that are available to you in the terminal. In this playlist, I will showcase the tools that I use in my personal workflow and terminal to make it super awesome. Some examples: customizing the prompt of your terminal, navigating between directories super easily, or having a task manager to view how much memory is being used, how heavy the CPU load is, and even to kill tasks.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So if that sounds awesome to you, stay right in this playlist and continue watching. See you in the next one. Onwards, Cypherpunk.